Hi guys, this is day 2 of lesson 22 and I'm just going to really walk you through the next 2 pages here so that you guys are not going into this blind, okay? I kind of talked a little bit about it yesterday already, but hopefully this helps, okay? So it says number 2, explain how you know that the measurement of angle 1, so right here, angle 2, and angle 3 equals to 180 degrees. So from what we've learned, how do we know that these 3 angles equal to 180 degrees? Okay. Number 3, the measure of angle 1 and angle 4. How do we know that they're equal? Okay. It says line M and N are parallel. What is the relationship that tells you that that each statement is true? How do we know that angle 1 and angle 4 is related? Okay, and we know that from the fact that they are parallel lines. These 2 lines are parallel, and it's cut by this transversal. So what angle relationship are 1 and 4 that makes it equal? Okay, and we learned that in the last lesson. Same thing here, angle 3 and angle 5. How do we know that they are equal? Okay, so again, parallel line cut by a transversal here. What is the relationship between these angles that we know that they're equal? Are they corresponding angles? Are they vertical angles? Are they alternate interior angles? Are they alternate exterior angles? And so on. So what angle relationship tells us that they are equal? Okay, so number 5, it says explain how you can use congruent angles from problem 3 and 4 with the equations in problem 2 to show that the sum of the measure of the angle inside the triangle is 180. So how can we use what we know here as proof to tell us that these 3 angles, 2, 4, and 5, are in fact 180 degrees? And if you have not watched yesterday's lesson, you need to watch that so that it can help you to understand this question. Okay, number 6, it says use the fact about triangle angle sums and similar triangles to solve this problem. Triangle PQR, so from here in order, PQR and triangle STU are similar triangle. In triangle PQR, the measurement of QPR, so this measurement right here, so angle P is 60 degrees, and it says an angle PQR is a right triangle. So PQR is a right triangle. So we know that this is similar to this triangle, so they're proportional. So they are both 90 degrees. And then what angle is this? Okay, so as in respect to this one here. So if this is 60, this one right here is 60 as well. Okay, given that, they ask us a few more questions, another question. It says explain how you can solve for angle X. So here's angle X. How do I know what the value of angle X is? The measure of angle X is based on what we know. So we know that this is 90 degrees, and we also know what degrees the measure of this one is based on this similar triangle. And from yesterday's lesson, we know that the exterior angle of a triangle, so this angle here, equals to these 2 angles right here. Okay, and these 2 angles here, the exterior and the interior angle here, equals to 180 degrees. Okay, hope that helps you with the next question. Okay, the next question, the next few questions actually, I actually want you guys to try that one on your own because it's reasoning how you know. Okay, it says you demonstrate on the previous page that the sum of the measure of the angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So all 3 angles, when you add up all 3 angles, is 180 degrees. Now consider these 2 triangles. Angle A and angle D are congruent. Okay, that symbol shows us congruency. And angle B and angle E are also congruent. It says complete the reasoning. So it goes on to just kind of reason with you to help you understand what your answer is to what they're asking. Okay, so don't worry about 11 and 12. I want you to just go ahead and finish from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the previous page. All right, guys, good luck. Have fun.